I'm Marilyn Murray. I'm the creator of the Murray method that we use here at PCS on a regular basis. This is something that I developed starting in the early 1980s as a result of my own intensive therapy. And in that time, no one was talking about how to treat trauma or abuse or neglect. And so I was one of the first persons in the country to speak openly about that. And I was very fortunate to have Dr. Ralph Earl as my therapist back almost 40 years ago now. And he encouraged me to go back to school and get my degrees in psychology. I was 44 at the time. And during that time, when I was working with various professors, I started to write a theory on how a person, especially a child, survives trauma. And everything that I've developed has been me trying to understand me and why I do what I do. And I didn't realize that it would be helpful to anyone else. But Dr. Earl started saying, would you please teach this also to me? And one of my other professors also said that. And so they started also using some of the things I was creating with their clients. And they were saying, oh, you know what, this works with other people, not just with you. So with their encouragement, I continued to develop and widen out the method beyond just the treatment of trauma type issues. And it's a theoretical and treatment modality. So it's not just theory, because it is theory, but it also I have many treatment modalities, many instruments on how to apply the theory. So oftentimes we get one or the other. And so this on how to be a healthy, balanced person, physically, emotionally, intellectually, and spiritually, and in your relationships. Every Saturday, the new clients that come for the IOPs, they meet with myself if I am here, or one of the other therapists here who've been trained in my method, and we introduce what this method is, and talking about who you're created to be, and then your pool of pain, which everybody has one, and then what your defense mechanism is, and how those interact, who you are, your pool of pain, and your defense. And that's sort of the basis of what we do. I also created the trauma egg, which is used all around the country now, and the circles of intimacy. And so we teach those things also, and then those are used throughout the week. And then on the final Saturday before they go home, we meet again and process some of the homework that they've done. And that's been really wonderful for me. I've really enjoyed it.